Hey everyone, it's Rachel with RRD Creates. Here's a quick tutorial on getting started with embroidery on the Brother SE630. This machine usually goes for $300 or $400 and I got it at Walmart. It's a great starter machine to learn the basics on, and you can even make a starter business from the projects you make. After switching out the regular sewing foot for your embroidery foot, turn off the machine and remove the sewing storage by sliding it to the left. Now, attach the embroidery unit without the hoop onto the machine by aligning it around the workspace and sliding it in place. Once secure, turn on the machine. Use the touch screen to read the warning and select OK. Congratulations, you're ready to begin your journey. And here's how to remove the embroidery unit and get it back to the sewing machine setup. First, select the icon in the shape of the embroidery unit at the bottom left of your touchscreen. You're going to see a pop-up that's going to warn you about making sure your embroidery hoop is not attached. Go ahead and select OK and proceed to turn off the machine. Under the left side of the embroidery unit, there's a metal lever that you're going to activate with your left hand as you slide the unit off. Replace your sewing storage container back onto the machine and change your foot back to the sewing foot, and you're ready to go back to basic sewing mode. Check back for more quick tips on this machine, small business, and more.